When I awoke this morning, imagine my surprise. On my pillow lay a single yellow rose. I smiled, but when I read the card, the teardrops filled my eyes. It was the only way that you could say goodbye. You couldn't tell me to my face that you had found another, and it never crossed my mind you'd be untrue. So today, as I lay sleeping, you left me.
Hello guys, pakwan. Sanja kano sanja. Mambis kawan. Tailap mo. Hey, di tailap mo nang. Ado. Bagsakan. Guys, oh. Ah, napatawad na ka na. Naglag. Napatag. Bagsakan guys, oh. Bagsakan ti Sanjay to. Ako kami naabutan ti dato mati harap kita besda guys. Oh, bagsak presyo. Oh, kuan. Sasot may sasako. Masukar namin eh. Lukot mo, ma'am? Ha? Lukot mo, ma'am?